Hi guys, my name is Demas, and in this video I'll be showing my first impressions and photography experience using the brand new Samsung Galaxy Fold. Alright, so today we've got a special video where we're going to be unboxing and I'm going to be giving my first impressions on the new Galaxy Fold. So the Galaxy Fold actually gets released in Australia on the 30th of October, which is today, and it retails for 2,999 Australian dollars. Just to begin with, this is not a sponsored video from Samsung. They've kindly sent over this review unit for me to just check out and play around with it for the day. So let's just get into it and get into the unboxing. So this is the space silver version. I'm just going to open up the box. Let's go like this. And open up like that. Unfold the future. Meet your Galaxy Fold. So this is super exciting. Like, I've been wanting to check out this phone for so long. But yeah, this is crazy. Wow. Oh. That fold is crazy. Okay, alright, let's put this to the side just a bit. And then let's see what else is in the box. So, this box here, we've got a case that they've given us for the phone. Looks very carbon fibery. Alright, and what else is in the box? We've got a pair of Galaxy Buds, because the Galaxy Fold does not have a headphone jack, so they've provided some Galaxy Buds in the box, which is pretty cool. And then there's also the power brick, the transferring dongle thing, and the cable. And that's about it. So I'm going to be doing like a photographer's take on the Galaxy Fold. So after this, I'm going to be going out and shooting and taking some cool photos with this and seeing what the experience is like taking photos, and I'll let you guys know what I think afterwards. Just a bit about the phone. It's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chip in it, 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. It's got two screens. The front screen is 4.6 inches, and when you open it up, the inside screen is 7.3 inches. On top of all that, it's got 6 cameras, which is the first one right here at the top, and then there's 2 on the inside for selfies, and then at the back there's 3 cameras right here. One's the super wide, which is about a 12mm lens, 16 megapixels, the standard lens, which can shoot RAW, and then the zoom lens, which is a 2x zoom. So yeah, this is pretty crazy. It's got a 4,380 milliamp battery. I'm split into 2. But yeah, super excited to try this thing out on the streets. Let's just go and take some photos and I'll talk about my experience afterwards. Alright, so this is the morning after my shoot yesterday. So first impressions of this, taking photos was really fun. the screen is just so big when you open it up that you just feel so immersed when you're taking photos. So it feels so much better when you're trying to compose and line up your photos to certain things. It feels like you're one of those tourists shooting on a tablet, but the cool thing about it is you can actually fold it out and then put it back in your pocket and walk away. You know, like, it's really cool that there's like the screen at the front transitions so well with the screen on the inside, and you actually can't tell that there's a fold like when you're using it, looking at front on. From the side you can see there's a little bit of a seam, but most, like 100% of the time, you're going to be looking at it from the front, and that's how you're going to experience it. But yeah, I think it's a really, really awesome, like, innovative phone. It's super cool to just walk around and have a play with. Editing as well was super fun. Like, just the screen is just so big, and like you can just see everything, especially using Lightroom. Maybe one day they'll integrate the S Pen in it, which will take it even to the next level. But man, this is such a crazy phone. Just blown away that how the screen folds. Like, it's insane. So let me know what you guys think of the Galaxy Fold in the comments below, and if you have any questions about it, ask away and I'll answer them. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye! Sounds so satisfying.